The vibrant colors and raised textures on this dragonfly come entirely from natural seeds rather than traditional paint or ink. We are going to transform a handful of mixed seeds into a textured mosaic using a simple layering technique. You only need 3 basic supplies: a collection of dry seeds, a piece of thick cardstock, and a bottle of white liquid glue. These natural elements allow you to bring organic textures indoors with a few common household materials. Begin by clearing your workspace and sorting your collected seeds. Organize the seeds by color and size, similar to how a painter organizes a palette before starting a portrait. Large beans are best for filling in wide background areas, while tiny round seeds work well for pinpoint details. For the canvas, use a heavy piece of cardstock rather than standard paper. Standard paper absorbs the moisture from the liquid glue, which causes the surface to warp and ruins the alignment of the seeds. Use a pencil to sketch your design directly onto the cardstock surface. Draw your outlines bold, large, and simplified. Because physical seeds have fixed sizes and shapes, they cannot replicate the fine, intricate lines of a complex pencil sketch. A sorted seed palette and a bold blueprint provide the foundation for a successful mosaic. Once the sketch is finished, begin the glue and place phase of the project. Working in small, isolated sections prevents the white glue from skinning over or drying out before the seeds can be placed. Lay down a thick bead of glue along the sketch line, enough for the seed to sink into, before firmly pressing it into place. Apply the smallest details first, such as character eyes, using tweezers to help with precise placement. After the fine details are set, use larger seeds to fill in the remaining bulk areas of the design. Pay close attention to the orientation of each seed as it is placed. Laying seeds in uniform, parallel lines creates a cohesive visual texture, whereas random placement makes the mosaic look chaotic. Ensure every seed is completely dry before use. Fresh seeds contain moisture that leads to rotting or mold. Apply firm downward pressure to each seed to ensure a secure bond with the cardstock fibers. Deliberate placement and directional alignment transform a loose collection of seeds into a cohesive mosaic. After the design is filled, the project must enter the curing phase. Leave the cardstock resting perfectly flat in a safe location for several hours. Lifting the card vertically while the glue is wet will cause the heavy seeds to slide off the surface. Watch the adhesive for a visual cue. The opaque white liquid nestled between the seeds will slowly shrink and fade until it becomes transparent. This curing phase permanently secures the seeds and completes the mosaic. Once fully dry, the card is structurally stable and features a deep organic texture. This glue-in-place technique is versatile enough to work on 3-dimensional objects as well as flat paper. You can apply adhesive to the outside of a cardboard cylinder to create a textured pen holder for a desk. Alternatively, gluing seeds to large walnut shells creates a unique base for hanging room ornaments. Your leftover seeds provide the raw materials for your next creative endeavor.